Making any serious money on Amazon now is actually pretty friggin' hard without having your products brand registered. Getting brand registry on Amazon via a trademark opens up a wealth of additional tools that you can use to get a very competitive advantage. However, one of the big problems with getting brand registry is the trademark process. So you need a trademark to get brand registered, and trademark application and through to completion can take up to 9 months here in Australia to get that product, to get that trademark assessed. However, there's a fast way to do it that we've just discovered, and I'm going to show you what that is in this video. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm teaching you ways of making more money online, whether it's on Amazon or Shopify, eBay or Etsy, no matter what it is, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you've got something that you want me to talk about, a question you'd like me to answer, be sure to post below and let me know, and I'll get that answered for you. With that being said, let's get into the video. I noticed in America recently that we were able to get brand registry with a trademark application, and that's now been available to do here in Australia as well. So if you don't know what the hell brand registry is, it's where you use a trademark that you can get in Australia for your company to then get access to a whole shitload of other great stuff on Amazon. So they do all sorts of cool shit for you, and really it's at the point now, or has been for some time actually, where not having brand registry is a massive disadvantage on Amazon, because the amount of things now that brand registry gives you over and above just a normal kind of professional seller account is insane. It's insane. And so you're at a distinct disadvantage if you are not brand registered on Amazon, okay? If you're not. And so it makes a lot of sense to get brand registry. But it used to be the case that the only way you could get that was via waiting for your trademark application to get passed, to get approved, which in Australia was 8 or 9 months to get that done, and you'd get it done through IP Australia, okay? I'll talk about price in just a second. But what they've now started doing, because Amazon really wants to get as many businesses as possible brand registered, there's a lot of benefits for Amazon as well for doing that. What they've now started to allow you to do, or they had started to allow you to do in the USA, was once you submit a application for a trademark, you'll get a application number. And Amazon allowed you to use that application number to then register and apply for, and then register and then get brand registry. So you didn't have to wait for that 8 or 9 months. It wasn't as long as that in America anyway. It's like 3 or 4 months in the States. But they never ever allowed you to do that in Australia, which sucked. So it meant that you had to wait 8 or 9 months to get it. However, I noticed the fantabulous Leanne Aldridge, who, by the way, you should definitely hook up with on Facebook. She's been with us for a long time. Her Amazon business is doing really well. Anyway, so pay attention to her. Turns out she tried / harassed Amazon, and has now been able to get it, brand registry, with a trademark application number instead of the trademark registration number. Meaning you can now get Amazon brand registry in a couple of weeks instead of waiting 9 months to get it. And I think that is a fantastic thing to do. So, quick little thing on that for you. You apply for brand registry at brandservices.amazon.com.au. I'm going to put that link in the chat for you. Go and take a look at everything you get. I mean, it's pretty insane, Centre All, what they now give you. It's pretty insane. And then you come to the IP Australia website, and you want to get yourself, oops, we don't want that page. We want pricing page. Apply for a mark. Look, it says here. Where is it? Oh, I can't even find the prices. I'll just tell you the prices. So to apply for a trademark, it's 250 Aussie dollars. For a trademark for retail, which is what we're in, for your particular category, and it's one category. So trademarks can be applied to multiple different categories, but you just need it for one. Typically that's going to be retail-ish related thing, and you want to use that. It's 250 with something called a pick list. A pick list is just a pre-done list of things you're going to apply for your trademark within. Okay, that's all that is. It's just called a pick list, and that's what you should do. It's 250 bucks to get it. It's actually super cheap, but getting a trademark is a little bit like you'll need to go search to see if there's a trademark already registered, and there's a couple of other things you need to do to make sure that you're not going to waste that $250. Because if you apply and it gets refused, you don't get that $250 back. So I'm also going to point you in the direction of Kate Sun, who's here. She just happens to be an intellectual property lawyer in Sydney, and also one of the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, doing very well as it happens. And she will, or very usually does these deals. So we're last day to go bargain, so only $450. So she'll go through the process as a lawyer and do the whole thing for you. It's a bargain. It's a real bargain. Go search online for what a lawyer will usually cost you. You're talking $1,500 to $2,000 normally. So it's a spectacularly good deal. I'll give you the link to this post and just sort of say, hey, Kate, send to all. Neil says that you might be persuaded to extend that special price that you did, and hopefully she will. I mean, I've said that now, so I'll be in the shit if she doesn't, but hopefully she will. Kate is fantastic. She's really fantastic. So it's a great thing. Get yourself brand registry. Gives you so many cool things, and now, thanks to Leanne, we're able to get that organized and get that put in, which is really good news for us as sellers. Brand registry really matters. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got over 2,500 members from Australia, and indeed from right around the world, all in there helping each other build their own money-making businesses. We've got sales of over $50 million as a group, and if you'd like to find out more and come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. I'll see you next time. Bye.